about a dynamic cursor. Actually, this dynamic cursor, it detects the changes done by the base table. Like for example, if after the cursor is opened, if anything changes is done to the table that is used in this cursor, then it detects those changes and it affects this. Here I would explain this about this dynamic cursor. Here actually here I have declared some variables. Here I have declared the employee cursor, and which is a dynamic one, and here I have selected the table from the employee group tables. See, here I have opened the employee cursor, and I have done here the print cursor is open. Here actually if we do any changes after the cursor is open, then how it will affect it and how it will show, that I will explain here. See, here I have given, after entering into the loop, I have here I have kept a wait for delay for 10 seconds here, and then I am printing this whole concatenation. All this about this I have explained in other cursor also, basic cursor video. Here I am explaining how the dynamic cursor works. Here after see, if I execute this, see, this is the data like 1 to 9. This is the data which is there in employee group tables. If I execute this, first it enter cursor is open, and then what I will do is I will insert one row to that employee group tables. Other than, if you see here, this is the data like for 8 is there. So, and after opening the cursor, what I have done is, with the delay of 10 seconds, I have to let you show like how with this dynamic cursor works. After opening the cursor, what I have done, I have inserted a row into this employee group details table with employee ID with 8. So before employee ID with 8 was not there. See, after opening, see 10 seconds, after each 10 seconds this data it is fetching from the cursor. See, if you see fifth row is there, after 10 seconds we will be getting 6th row. See, 6th row we have got, then again the 7th row. See, whatever the modifications we are done we have done in the base table, that it will affect here in the cursor also. This like this. See, 8th one, employee ID with 8 also we have come, employee name query, employee department is 3, employee salary is 20. This is what I have inserted here after. See, this is what I have inserted into employee group details after the cursor has been started. See, like this, if anything, all insert, update, delete statements can like if they are done in the group, they are done in the like in the base table, that is going to affect in the cursor also here after the cursor once it is open. So like this, if this is a good choice. Actually, this dynamic cursor is very useful if in our application, when it can detect a concurrent updates are made by the other users. If other users are making the changes to the base table, then that time we can use this type of dynamic cursor. This is how, like after inserting, like after opening the cursor with the time delay of 10 for our to understand, then I have done wait delay. See, I am closing this, and again if you want to like delete or something, see like after starting the cursor, after the starting the cursor, see, cursor is open. Now the cursor is open, then I will delete that one, employee ID with 8. See, if I deleted this, then if I see that 8th row is not there. So then some base table modifications are done here. If we see here also, the 8th row will be deleted. See, we can see after like every 10 seconds for a our convenient to show how it will come. That one I have explained here. I have written it has wait, it will delay for a wait time will be for a 10 seconds. If it's not there, if anything is not there with no wait, it will raise the error like nothing. So fifth row has been come. Then after 10 seconds, sixth row will be coming. See, sixth row has come. Then seventh row. Then actually the 8th row has been deleted. Here I have deleted the 8th row. So the cursor after opening also, see this 9th row has come. So whatever the modifications done after the cursor is has opened also, here it will affect here. So this is how a dynamic cursor works. So this is the simple example. With simple example I have explained about how a dynamic cursor works. Like in a real-time scenarios, if all the concurrent updates are made by other users, then that way at that time this dynamic cursor is very useful for us. Thank you for listening.